a huge leak of the Microsoft's internal documents has shown something absolutely incredible. This is breaking news, guys, and I'm bringing you here. So if you appreciate these daily updates, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you're always notified when I make a new upload. Not too many people talk about it. Seems like people are busy with other stuff, but we are spot on here. So let's just jump straight into this. And before I give you the just absolute incredibleness, just let's cover as to what also has happened, and that is that MicroStrategy has bought another 150 million worth of Bitcoin and is currently holding 160,000 Bitcoin. MicroStrategy alone. Michael Saylor is a smart guy. And they have acquired this Bitcoin at an average price of $29,500. So if you still think that you are late to the party, I mean, MicroStrategy is putting billions of dollars into Bitcoin at this price right here. And actually, my average entry price is a bit lower than this. So if you have an average entry price of 30K or lower, oh, guys, you're going to make spectacular returns. Not financial advice, of course. So anyway, this is just mega incredible. While everybody is pissed and upset, etc., smart people are accumulating. So next thing is that Mike Novogratz, another billionaire, is saying that Bitcoin ETF is right around the corner. Just as a quick reminder, in just a couple of weeks right here, I don't know why the quality of the picture is not very good, but anyway, we're going to see potentially the decision on the spot ETF, which again, it's a second deadline, so probably they will not decide anything, so they're probably going to postpone it until the final deadline. But again, he's saying that there is a possibility that this could happen earlier and as soon as a few weeks. And then, as he also said, at least $300 billion will flow directly to Bitcoin, which at current market cap is going to double the value of it. So it's like going to be at 40, 50K at an instant, almost like, well, within a couple of weeks, right? Which is crazy. Now, next thing, like just bringing you to the absolute shock and to this absolute breaking news on Microsoft. Shock crypto leak reveals Microsoft could be about to blow up the price of Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and BNB. And this is absolutely incredible. So let's see as to what is happening. I mean, I love to see this. When all the naysayers are like, Bitcoin is dead. All these people are embracing, all these institutions, like look at this. Leaked internal Microsoft documents posted to the Resetra Gaming Forum, whatever, this week showed an Xbox roadmap from May 2022 that actually includes support for crypto wallets. And just to put it in perspective, so Microsoft is going to be putting crypto wallets, just like X, which is X Twitter, and so many other actually huge platforms, also Meta, etc., which Xbox alone, I just wanted to Google this, has 120 million users. So this is crazy. I mean, imagine, this is what contributes to mass adoption. This is absolutely huge. Put it together with Bitcoin halving, put it together with US printing money, again, sooner or later, definitely. And all of these things, all of these huge companies coming together and going into crypto, this is absolutely unprecedented. We are standing at such an important time right now that if you're sleeping on the sidelines, oh my God, like, oh my God. So anyway, and before we jump into the price action, I wanted to remind you of the blast off deposit bonus with Bybit. Deposit $100, you'll get $100 as well, but as long as your account is real, KYC'd, and you actually are doing trading, so it's not a fake account. And then if you use my link down in the description of this video to sign up with Bybit, you can claim up to $30,000 initial deposit bonuses. And by just depositing $100, you will get an extra $100 as well, limited to 100 people. It comes out of my own pocket, so I'm donating $10,000 to you guys that you can use to buy Bitcoin or whatever you want. And all deposited users get access to my Crypto Signals community. This is where I post all of my trades and the trades of my team. Also link down in the description of this video. Very easy to access. Just go to VIP Signals section, put in your Bybit UID that you've actually used, when you've signed up with Bybit using my link. Take that UID, put it into the system, and it will let you in within like 48 hours. So anyway, now let's get to the price chart. And I know that it's looking very boring. And as to what is happening right now, the major milestones, in my opinion, within a couple of weeks, and especially on the 28th or the 29th, we're going to see PCE reading, which is again a very lagging indicator, but we want to see as to what is going to happen. So it's going to be September 29th, 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. Could have a very huge probability of moving the price, because right now all the eyes are on Fed, on inflation, and on the upcoming interest rate hike, maybe another one, etc. So liquidity, this is where we want to see the liquidity come from. So for now, we are quite stagnant, but we are still above very important support area of market makers. Market makers right now are just shaving people in between these two levels. This is right here, 28K, really the area of the balance between the extreme upper side extreme of market makers, which is about 31K, and then 25K, which is this area that actually supported us like crazy. Look at it. Look at this, like bounce off of it. It's insane. This is where the liquidity for market makers is at right now. And what we really want to see is, number one, we want this area to hold, even if we're going to jog along, and then we want to see the break above this resistance, because we actually got, rejected right here, and we really want to see this break, because we had this formation that broke to the downside, and right now everybody's calling for like much lower prices, which is possible, but we need a very negative catalyst for this to happen. If nothing happens, then we're going to be just riding to the side until something either good or bad happens. It's just in the bear markets, it's all news driven and fundamentals driven, not as much technicals driven. Bull markets are more technicals driven. So right now, what we want for our bullish scenario, which again, I'm still in my long trade over on Bybit, still there, still the same thing. And we really want to see the break of this level of 26.5 in this instance, just to break this level right here. Then this would be like kind of a flag that we've been in for some time and then potentially turning bullish. But again, we need the catalyst for this. And if we break this level right here with some volume, this could actually potentially send us to retest 30K. But again, this level has to hold. So let's see what happens, because we have this narrowing down of volatility here that is happening right now as we speak, waiting for any one of these things to finally come to fruition and push us either higher or lower. And I'm going to certainly keep you guys updated. And check out my first vlog of my expedition going from New York to Alaska, trading Bitcoin, world record. Absolute world record. Nobody has ever done this before. Check it out, showing how trading can change your life and how you can use trading to travel the world, etc. Showing every single trade as we go. Check it out. And as always, peace and love. Thanks, Kralo. Stay smart, stay rich, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.